Dear students, hope you might have seen the previous videos on the National Eligibility Cum Entrance Test. NEET practice session. Give instruction to a wise man, and he will be yet wiser. Teach a just man, and he will increase in learning. So let's start now and increase our learning. First question. Thickness of a pencil measured by using a screw gauge whose least count is 0.001 cm. Comes out to be 0.802 cm. The percentage error in the measurement is. There are four options given below. A. 0.125%. B. 2.43%. C. 4.12%. D. 2.14%. Now what's the correct answer? Given the thickness T is equal to 0.802 cm. Least count is equal to 0.001 cm. Now the error in measuring T is equal to 0.802 plus or minus 0.001. Therefore, the percentage error is equal to 0.001 divided by 0.802, which is multiplied by 100%. When you solve this you get 0.1246%, which is approximated to 0.125%. Therefore, the correct option is A. Second question. If E and G respectively denote energy and gravitational constant, then G divided by E has the dimensions of. Four options are given below. Which is the correct option? So the dimension of energy E is equal to m. L to the power 2 and T to the power minus 2. The formula for gravitational constant is F into R squared divided by m1 and m2. The dimension of force F is m. L. T to the power minus 2. Similarly, the dimension for the radius r is L to the power 2. And the dimension for the mass m1 and m2 is m. Which is m into m is m square. So on substituting this in the formula of gravitational constant, we get m to the power of minus 1 L to the power of 3 and T to the power of minus 2. Therefore, E divided by G is m to the power of 2 into L to the power minus 1 and T to the power 0. So the answer is A. Got it? In case, if you did not understand it, then rework it. If you understood it, then move on to the next video. Thank you.